Mr. Krabs, Squidward's taking all the money from the cash register right now, Mr. Krabs.
Squidward! Nobody takes me money! Get out here, Mr.